In this video, I'll show you how to set up your PC Windows computer with your Brother Work Smart MFC-J1360DW. I'll show you how to connect them, how to print using your PC, and also how to get the scan results directly over here using Wi-Fi. So let's get started right away. Everything will be explained to you step by step. So number one is to go on your printer, and we need to connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. So let's go over here on the control panel. You're going to press once on this Wi-Fi button. Then you're going to select Find Wi-Fi Network and press OK. You may have to press the right side arrow to enable the Wi-Fi if it was not already enabled. Now you're going to have a few Wi-Fi networks presented to you. You can navigate using the up and down arrow. Select your Wi-Fi network in blue and press OK. Now it's time to type the password of your Wi-Fi. If your password has capital letters, you need to go on the lower left side, press OK, and everything will change to capital letters. If you have numbers, in that case, you need to select this icon over here, and it will switch to numbers. Press again and it will switch to symbols. Now once you have typed the password, go ahead and select OK and press OK as well. You're going to get connected, WLAN connection successful. On your PC, if you want to print something, simply open the file you wish to print. So I'll go in this folder and open something. Then you're going to select the print button. Where you see printer over here, in my case I already have the printer added, but what you need to do is to click, go all the way down and select Add Printer. Then you're going to select Add Device. Your printer will be presented to you. It will be one of the first in this list. And you're going to select Add Device beside it. It will install automatically all the drivers, all the software that it needs. You don't have to do anything at this point. Just wait until you see over here Ready. If your computer wasn't able to install the driver by itself for this printer, I have made a separate video showing you how to install the Brother driver on your PC computer. Okay, so check my channel, the video will be there and it will guide you step by step. Anyway, over here it says ready, so I can simply click to exit this window, and over here I can go ahead, make sure that these settings are okay and press the print button. And this is how you get a print using your PC computer. Don't forget to extend the paper output. Here we go. Now let me show you how to scan. This printer has two different scanners, and depending which one you want to use, you may have to put the paper slightly differently. So over here we have the automatic document feeder on the top. You see these? If they are in this position, simply push them to the extremities. Now take your paper. Let's say this is the one you want to use, and you're going to place it facing down. You can scan up to 20 pages at the same time. So if you have a stack of 20 pages, align them and make sure you don't have any staples. So place it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side. And now we simply have to glide this paper or these sheets of paper under these two tabs, the way I just did it, like that. You can also extend the small flap over here so the paper doesn't fall on the ground once it's done scanning. If you're using the normal scanner, the scanner glass, same thing, put your document facing down with the top part, okay, towards the left side. And now make sure that the top left corner touches the top left corner of the scanner. So just make sure both of over here are touching. This is how you align the paper over there. Now let's go on the PC computer. To scan, you need to open the scan app that comes included with most PCs these days. So if you go into the search bar and you type scan, you're going to see the scan app. If you do not see it, it means you don't have it installed on your device. Go onto the Microsoft Store and search for Scan app made by Microsoft. It's free and it's a legit app, again, made by Microsoft that you need to use to scan. Over here where you see scanner, make sure that you select the right printer, your Brother MFC-J1360DW, and you're going to have a few different options, including the source. So select where do you have put your paper. In my case, it's on the flatbed, not on the automatic document feeder. Select which kind of file you want to scan. I'll say a JPEG. And if you click on show more, you'll be able to select if you want it in black and white or color. The scan resolution. So if you're scanning a text document, you can select 200. If it's a picture, select 300. And at the end, you can also say where do you want this file to go on your PC. In my case, I have selected desktop. Press the scan button and wait. Usually in 13 seconds, you're going to get a confirmation message on the top saying that it got saved on your Windows PC. So let's wait a few more seconds. Here we go. Scan was saved to desktop. So you can press the view button over here to view the scan, or you can close and scan more documents. If you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links. I have put links towards if you want ink cartridges compatible with this printer, or even photo paper, plain paper, or even printers. Every time you buy through my links, you support my channel because I get a very small commission from Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. Have a beautiful day.